Hi boys and girls, this is Mrs. Klepper, and today the 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade teachers have developed a goose chase that we hope you will think is fun today for your e-learning. If you have an iPad, you have the Goose Chase app already loaded. If you are a 5th grader, you have a laptop, so you'll need to borrow a device from someone, either an iPad or a phone, and download the Goose Chase app. I'm just going to walk you through how to do it, and then Mrs. Roberts will be keeping track of all of our game leaders, and maybe some other adults will be joining in with us. So you're going to open the Goose Chase app, and this is Mrs. Klepper's last game that the 3rd graders did, and I need to get out of that. Now when you go to the app, it might go right to the correct screen if you have not done a Goose Chase lately. So over in the top left hand corner there's a house, so I'm going to click on the house, and you see I'm back to the game we played a couple weeks ago, and now there's a gear in the left hand corner. I'm going to click on the gear, and at the bottom of the list in red it says reset app, so I'm going to click on reset app, and then it asks me if I want to reset the app for sure, and I say yes. And so then this is the screen that I need to start with. So the great thing about Goose Chase now is I don't need an account, so I'm just going to click on play as a guest. And in the middle, right above the blue submit bar, you can enter your game code. The game code is the same for all of us. It's 2KG3P5. And if you forget that, it's on the directions page that your teacher sent you for e-learning today. And then I'm going to hit the blue bar, submit. And then it asks me, do I want to join the game? And I'm going to say yes. So I'm going to click join the game. And up here, I have to write my name. So since we have all the 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders at Southside and some adults playing, you need to write your first and last name with an uppercase letter for your first initial. So I'm going to write Mrs. Klepper. So it's a proper noun, so I'm going to capitalize Mrs. Klepper. And then I'm going to create player and join game. And then you can choose to enable or not enable. I'm going to go ahead and say enable. It's going to send me push notifications. Alright, boys and girls, so this is a list of all the missions that you're going to be doing today. And so for the first one, it's called 3D objects. And so you'll snap a picture, a photo of evidence for this mission. So I'm just going to go through really quickly and read them to you if you need them read to you. If you don't need them read to you, then you could skip this part. But before you go, at the bottom, I think is where Mrs. Roberts put this, the very last question or mission on the Goose Chase that's worth 400 points is, who is your teacher? So, and it says, type your teacher's name. You must use correct capitalization, punctuation, and spelling for this mission to be correct. So if you have Mrs. Klepper's name, you would click enter if I am your teacher, and then click up here and type the name of your teacher. You could look on email from your teacher, you could look on e-learning directions or anything if you don't remember how to spell your teacher's name. So I'm going to go back to the top of our missions, and I'm just going to go through and read them to you. So the first one says, take a picture of a 3D object, a cube, a cone, a cylinder, a prism, or a sphere. Analog clock. Take a picture of an analog clock in your house and label it with the correct time. So taking a picture of like a cell phone clock is not an analog clock. It would have to have an hour hand and a minute hand. Building tower. Make a tower using anything you can find and take a picture of your tower. Collection of coins. Take a picture of a collection of coins and label it with the correct value of the coins. Division group. Take a picture of a group of objects divided into smaller equal groups. Electricity. Take a video of something that is using electricity right now. Energy-saving item. Take a picture of an energy-saving item in your home. Favorite book. Take a picture of a book you love. Favorite snack. Take a picture of your favorite snack. Favorite toy. Take a video of you with your favorite toy and tell us why it's your favorite. Food cost. Take a picture of 3 food items. Assign a cost for each item. That means, boys and girls, you probably don't have the prices on them, so you just make it up. Add up the total cost of the items and then put a label on it. Food ounces. Take a picture of 2 canned items. Add the ounces together and write the total ounces in both cans. Fraction. Take a picture of a fraction in your home. Indiana drawing. Draw a picture of Indiana and take a picture of the drawing you did. So not a screenshot, a drawing that you did. Latitudinal object. Take a picture of something laying latitudinal, which is horizontal, in your house. Noun. Take a picture of a noun. Paper tower. Using only one piece of paper, build the tallest freestanding tower you can make. Take a picture of your tower. Proper noun. Take a picture of something with a proper noun. Remember, a proper noun is a specific, like a specific restaurant, person, or place that you need to capitalize. Reading aloud. Take a picture of you reading to a parent, sibling, or pet. Reading book. Take a picture of the book you are reading at home. Sad face. Take a picture of someone in your house making a sad face. Self-discipline. Take a video of yourself explaining what self-discipline means to you. Sled creation. Using items around the house, design a sled that we could use to return to school. Take a picture of your creation. So think about either a STEM or a makerspace project that we would do at school. So sled creation is kind of like that. And then again, the last question is, who is your teacher? And you need to type in your teacher's name correctly to earn the points for that mission. If you have any questions, your teachers will be glad to help you. Just email them or seesaw them, whatever works best for you. And we hope you really enjoyed this e-learning goose chase. There will be prizes, maybe for the total winner, maybe for a winner in each class. And I think you'll have some fun with some other adults in the school who are going to play with us. Have a great e-learning day on Friday, February 1st.